In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add and remove coins from your exchange and adding and removing markets from your exchange. So you would do that back in the exchange dashboard here. Locate the page Financials on the side here, and in the Assets tab, you'll see the 5 coins that we added previously. Let's say we want to remove Bitcoin Cash. We would click Bitcoin Cash and click Remove at the bottom, and go back to General and apply the changes. Applying the changes is important for all the coin and market updates. So once that's been updated on the dashboard, let's refresh the exchange, and we should see right here no more Bitcoin Cash. Let's open the wallet, and it has been removed. Let's add that back again. So back to Financials, add asset, and Bitcoin Cash has been selected, and we'll continue to add that and apply the changes. Back to the exchange and refresh, and we should see Bitcoin Cash added to this list in the wallet page. These are functioning wallets with deposits and withdrawals. As you can see, the Bitcoin Cash address that we generated previously is here, and if we go back, I've actually got a little XHT on this wallet already that I added, and just to show that these wallets are working, let's copy this address and use this address to deposit a new XHT. So I'm back in my dashboard and I have XHT left over from the previous video, so I'm gonna do a withdrawal. Input that address. This address is the same as this, and leave it at 1 XHT to withdraw. So I'm going to go confirm this and click OK. And behind the scenes here, I'm just going to confirm the withdrawal in my email. So if you give me a moment to confirm that, now that it's confirmed, I'm going to go back right here and check the exchange. So give it a few moments and the deposit has been received. I'm going to click OK, and in the history page on the deposits tab, you'll see a bunch of deposits that were made. This one's the newest, and that just shows how these wallets are all working from the get-go. So now that we've added back a market for Bitcoin, a coin for Bitcoin Cash, let's add a Bitcoin Cash market. I'm going to go back to dashboard, my exchange, and trading. Go to create add pair here, and see there's a Bitcoin Cash USDT tether market that I'll add and apply. So let's see if this has been updated right here on the trading page. First, do a refresh. And Bitcoin Cash will be added just as quickly as we added coins, as you can see here. This is a market that can be traded straight away. As you can see, there's already populated order book and the history chart of the price. And just to show that these markets are in fact tradable, we'll go to the XHT market and put down a trade at this price. So 0.2131, we'll do a sell of our XHT and place that at that price. Confirm, and confirm that we're using all the money on our wallet. And you see here it's been placed, and this particular price level has been updated with our order added to the order book. We can cancel that, and then instantly we'll see that it's gone back to 1 and that our balance has been returned. So these are active markets from the get-go, which is the strength of using the HollaEx kit. But what if you want to add something brand new, something that isn't on the list? You would need to create a new pair and you do that by simply clicking create new pair here, and perhaps it's a new coin. So if it's not previously added to your exchange, you should go back to the financials page here and click add asset and do a search. Maybe it will be in the system, but if it's not, that's okay. You just go create brand new asset right here. We're going to add a blockchain asset, and typically they're on Ethereum, so let's go with Ethereum. And as you can see here, it's asking for a contract. I'm going to go to Etherscan and visit like a random token. So I'm just going to the top tokens here, and I'll simply scroll down and just pick any sort of contract by simply clicking the token here. It will show on the page the contract. This is what we need. It's kind of like an ID for this particular coin token. We go back to our dashboard and input this contract and do a search. It's been connected, so you can see it's been populated and it's ready to be added. I'm going to leave this all as default and continue. Leave it as default and continue, confirm. And as you can see here, it's been added. As it's not verified as a brand new token, it will require activation. So it's stuck in pending for now. But as long as the details, if you click here, the name, if the details are all set and correct, the processing will be done, and it will be added to the system once activation donation has been submitted. So for those that are on a cloud plan, Crypto Pro, they've actually already got within the package one free crypto coin and pair added for free. So that's one good thing to keep in mind. So let's go back to trading pairs here. And that token we added recently, we can now pair it up. So let's go to create a new pair and locate that new coin. Here it is. And now we can pair it up with, say, something different, like maybe HollaEx token, and create a brand new market. Confirm the details here, and once it is been set, it will also be in a pending state. But again, once the coin has been activated and the verification for this particular market has been completed, then it will be set to green. And once you do a general apply latest changes and you do a refresh on your exchange, it will be just another market on your exchange. So that's how we add and remove coins and markets, as well as add brand new markets.